Hello and welcome. Today we're playing on a brand new map. This building has been abandoned for 17 years and will get demolished in the next month or so. In its final weeks, we're allowed to play some CQB in this building. Join me for a game of domination.
Sorry van je hoofd, dat was het enige wat zichtbaar was.
Having conquered the second floor, the enemy is coming for us, trying to retake the control point. With the enemy successfully overrunning the control point on our floor, we have to fight our way through one of the other 6 floors to gain the upper hand.
Yes. Yo, dank je. Ah, fuck, dat is glas. Kijk, er zit er eentje nog links. Links achter in de gang. Alwin, jij hebt je beste schot, denk ik. Alwin, ja. Trek zijn vuur. Laten we met z'n allen erop afgaan. Go, go, go. Heb jij voor jou je 12?
After successfully conquering the 5th floor, also known as the orange floor, we have to defend it as long as possible to score the maximum amount of points.
I have the high ground!
After breaking through on the main staircase, they pushed us back to the final room of the floor. But we're not leaving without preparing a little ambush for them.
One minute, 37 seconds later.
Desperate for points, we try moving to a lower floor to see if we can capture a new control point. Unfortunately, things did not work out for us, and we had to come up with a new strategy. We're in the final stage of the game and losing pretty bad. On the dark level, we're trying to find some additional points.
Granaat. Oh, hit.
Unfortunately, our efforts were in vain and we lost the match. I hope you enjoyed this unique map, even though it's only temporary. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more content like this. See you next time.